So this is how we start out. We've laid the wallpaper out on the floor. We've put some blue tape on it to show the crops. I've taken a picture to send to the client, to the designer, to approve the crop. So this is the proof. So as you can see, the piece is quite a bit larger than the client's wall. So we're cutting quite a bit off, and that's where the blue tape lines are. So we'll wait for our designer client to approve this, and then we'll take it back in the frame shop and get it done. Our wallpaper is 72 inches wide, but the widest board we can get is 60, which means we're gonna have to splice this. So when you put two pieces together like this, you have to run two pieces on the back like this to make it strong. So your seams run in opposite directions on the front and the back piece, and so that makes a really nice, strong substrate to mount on. Now, because of the seam, our wallpaper installer is gonna have to deal with that. They're gonna have to fill that seam in, sand it, make sure it's nice and smooth. Then they're gonna put down a layer of liner paper over that, and then the wallpaper. So it's a multi-step process to get this mounted. We also have to consider the depth of the frame. Now, this tiny little frame is not strong enough to hold the weight of this piece. So the frame really is just decorative. It's just gonna go around the outside to make it look nice, but all the weight is gonna be supported by the cleat that's bolted onto the double layer of substrate that we're mounting onto. So let's take a closer look at that. Okay, so here's our frame. Our first layer is a 1/2-inch gator foam, and then we're gonna back that up with plywood. So again, our seam runs this way on the top layer, seam runs this way on this layer, and then we have, this is the cleat. So all three of these layers added up equal the same depth as the frame. So this way, it'll hang nice and flat on the wall. All the weight is supported here on the cleat, and the frame is just a nice trim around the outside. Figuring all of that out is what I specialize in here at Artifex. So it's kind of, putting all the pieces together. That's fun for me. So let's go back in the frame shop now and get this all put together. So here's our finished piece. This is gonna look really impressive in our client's home. So bring us your wallpaper murals to be framed as art. We can do that for you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.